Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. Here you can see it 0xc19001e2. So how we can fix it? First you need to go to your search tab and just write in search tab troubleshoot. So here you open your troubleshoot settings and here you choose troubleshoot and Windows update. And here you choose run the troubleshooter. It will open window and automatically detect all the problems and just fix some errors, corrupting files, missing files, and you will see here a list of errors, and after you see this list of errors you need to restart your computer and it will automatically fix it. So this is the way how you can fix this error. Or you can also check another thing. It's just to go to search tab and just write in search tab services. Here you can see services. So now you just need to scroll down to Windows Update. Just right click on it and choose Properties. And here you need to choose in startup type automatic and service status must be running. So also you can try another thing. You just click on stop and just click on start. So also you can choose restart and it will do the same. So this is the way how you can fix this error. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.